show you how you can make your own three-part cards. And I've put the file, it's a PowerPoint file on the Clever app, down looking at resources. And when you print it out, each page will look like this. And so you will need to do a little bit of coloring. You or your child can help. The first one should be trying to make it resemble a honeybee. So it's full color, realistic, hopefully. And then after that, for example, where it says head, you're only going to color the head in red so that that's the thing that children notice when they're working on this. And you will do that with all of the cards. For the legs, you would color the legs red. You get the idea. After you do that, it's important for me to show you that there are two-part cards. These are three-part cards. 1, 2, 3 parts for the honeybee. One is a card that has the label, and this one is a mute card. It doesn't have a label. The label, we cut it out. So you will, for each one, you will have a card with a label. You will have a card without the label, and then you will have the corresponding label. And these go separate. So you cut them out. And then what I did to create a holder is I printed out an extra one so that I could make a picture so that I can see what's in this. And this I made by folding a piece of construction paper and then gluing down the edges and then gluing down different at a distance. So I put some glue here and I put some glue here so that they don't slide against each other. And so the idea is that I created 3 pockets, and that helps me keep track of my work, but it also allows me to put the work out on a shelf or in a box and have it be available for my daughter to work with. So I wanted to show you that it's not very complicated. You can also put all of this in a Ziploc bag, but there you go. So that's how I suggest that you keep track of your 3-part cards as you start making them for at-home work.